Hi, it's Barbara, and welcome back to Wiki Design. Today I'm going to answer a question from one of our viewers regarding WooCommerce. Hey, I have an inventory file. How do I update all of the inventory at once because doing this one by one would take me over a month? This is something that a lot of people want to know about. If you are selling a lot of products on your site, inventory management can be kind of a hassle, and having to do this one at a time could take forever. What you're going to want to do is import a spreadsheet. Now, WooCommerce does have the ability for you to import spreadsheets into your database, but they don't allow for inventory management, which kind of stinks because that's pretty important. Luckily, there's a plugin that fixes this problem. The plugin that I recommend using is called WP All Import. I'll put a link to it in the description box. This plugin will allow you to not only import all of your WooCommerce information, including your inventory, but also lets you do a lot of other things. Like if you wanted to import users into the site, you could do that. If you wanted to import pages or posts, that all works as well. So it's a really versatile plugin and totally worth it. It is a paid plugin, but the time that you're going to save not having to do inventory management one product at a time is totally worth the money. I hope that this answered your question. If you have a question regarding WooCommerce, leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer it in a future video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.